Yes. Let's just check what's going on, maybe. Yep, nothing really going on today. Except for whatever is this brightness doing. The rest of the day. They're doing a nuclear war. Oh, now I got them looking.
This is the Prime Minister speaking. This is not a test. This is a nuclear warning. Go to the shelters in Boston, Vancouver and Calgary. The Soviet Union are attacking Canada, USA, Mexico, Panama and Cuba. Please take shelter immediately.
Ceasefire being on 1 minute and then off the next. And in the last evening, we're just going to take cover. We'll just head inside. I think that is probably a response from Hamas to this announcement of a 4-hour humanitarian window. Everyone rushing for cover here. This is a daily occurrence in Ashkelon in southern Israel. You can perhaps see people down there now running the air raid shelters, and that was a big trump. It would have been a Hamas rocket heading over into southern Israel, and most likely the Iron Dome kicking in, an Israeli rocket going up and blasting it.